if you're only the size of a matchbox. It pays to keep a low profile, but a little cuttlefish can't hide forever. His favorite food lives in the shallows, but when you're this small, it's an epic journey. He swims pretty well, but fish are faster. But blending in is a cephalopod specialty. The cunning cuttlefish takes his disguise one step further. Special muscles in his skin produce thousands of spiny outgrowths known as tubercles, making him look like seaweed. It seems to do the trick. This isn't the only outfit in his collection. In a fraction of a second, he can channel any look. Snail, coral, or rock. Cephalopod's amazing ability to change color is all thanks to their chromatophores. Millions of pixel-like cells filled with pigments. They expand and contract like balloons to create rapid changes in color, perfect for merging into the background within a fraction of a second.